Oh, probably should be the
Maybe he's
pig.
just coming up.
What group are you guys in?
Lion King.
We're in the Lion King.
Lion King?
The Lion King.
Like because he's a lion, so you just like first act with.
Wait, I think I should be Pumbaa.
So who's gonna be the lion?
I should be Pumbaa. So I get on my she's a pig. She's
So
the.
the pig is
No, I'll be the pig. The ground. No, you ground.
the chipmunk. No.
No, because I'll be the pig.
I know which one.
Easier to act. I'm not.
Chuck, what are you gonna be?
I'm a director.
Director. Yeah, I've seen it, but I don't really remember the scene. I think it's when she gets bitten, and then like.
What are you guys playing?
Twilight.
Twilight? Doing
Yeah.
Twilight.
Okay, hold on, let's read this.
You guys are more like SWAT. Ê, có tiếng là shock lại YouTube lên đây trái nè.
What's the one you guys playing?
Resident Evil.
Resident Evil.
Right when you guys look at each other and then you just look and you throw away, right? And then you guys both get on the ground and that's when he comes up and he picks it up. And then what is it? It's that part.
What's good about you guys playing?
Rush Hour 2.
Rush Hour 2.
You're the go. Oh, you want to be Jackie Chan? I got a 2,000-year-old chopstick on my ass. Elizabeth, right?
Yeah, I'll show you here. Oh, okay.
What's good about you guys playing?
We're playing the Gigolo part.
Jingle Park?
I'm just kidding. We're playing, yes, I want to remember.
Come on, all the way. Come on, narrator. LA room, okay? And then I think James Edward, no, the other guy. No, the other guy. Well, the other guy bit Bella, and then Bella is on the ground, like suffering. And then the other family, they comes in, and then they try to help Bella, and they kill the other person. Okay? It doesn't have to be exactly like. Introduce yourself, and then what scene are you guys playing? And then say action, and you guys start, and say scene when you guys are over. Okay?
I'm gonna be on the floor.
No, don't tell us. We know you're on the floor.
Action. Ready? Action.
Her feet were already severed. She's losing so much blood.
It's burning my hand.
Venom.
You have to make a choice. Either let the change happen.
No,
It's going to happen. I've seen it.
it doesn't have to be that way.
Alice, find me a rag, a shirt,
It's burning.
What's the other choice you said?
above the knee. Alice,
Carlisle's.
you can try and suck the venom out.
I won't be able to stop.
Find a will to. Hurry. She only has minutes to live.
Bella, I'll make it go away.
Stop. Her blood is clean. You're killing her.
Death is peaceful, easy. Sing.
Action.
Director.
You guys should be outside.
Come on, director. We gotta get this down.
Action.
Wait. There's some people down there. There's people over here. Get out of here. Take it.
All right, on your feet right now.
I wouldn't do that if I was you. It's a bomb.
All right, look, there's no bomb, all right? No bomb. Now get out of my side before I turn you guys in jail for obstruction.
Put us in jail? Put us in jail? I'm about to bust you.
Sorry. I'm an undercover agent for the United States Secret Service.
How do I know you're not lying? Show me your badge. I didn't see that.
We can help you. I'm a decade in Hong Kong.
I know who you are, Inspector Lee.
Then you know that I'm not walking from in this case.
Yeah, that's right.
We need to get out of sight. Follow me to my suite. I've been working on this case for months now. So what's your story? They think I'm a crooked customs agent. Well, that's what they think, but yeah.
This is a payoff.
No, it's a sample. Line.
You guys never ever heard?
You guys ever heard of the super bill?
It's a myth, some kind of counterfeit.
Not just a counterfeit. 14 out of 15 world banks can't tell the difference. The bill is made of cranium blend, and the
Bills?
oh
Print
my
it.
god, this line is hard.
Alright.
Scene.
Okay.
Action! It's taking so long.
Red Queen's just beyond that gate. And she's well protected. High explosive, armor piercing. This baby has it all.
I thought she was gonna throw a palm.
We don't believe in taking risks.
So, man and white,
I'll cover.
so in the house, late at night, do you think we...
I don't think so.
Where in, guys?
It's a cool customer.
Yeah, kept us all alive a long time.
Terminator position.
Roger that. Running bypass.
Beep!
Checkmate.
Foreign teams.
Scene!
Take two. Action.
Wow, nice day, Pumbaa. Oh, Pumbaa. You okay, kid?
I guess so.
You nearly died. I saved you. Well, Pumbaa helped a little. Thanks for your help. Hey, where are you going? Nowhere. Gee, he looks blue. I say brownish gold. No. I meant he looked depressed. Oh. What's he eating, a kid? Nothing. He's just at the top of the food chain. Food chain. So, where are you from?
Doesn't matter.
Ah, you're an outcast.
What?
An outcast. That's great. So are we. What you do, kid?
Something terrible. I don't want to talk about it.
Good. We don't want to hear about it. Lying.
Kid.
Lying.
Kid?
You know, kid? My buddy Timon here said, sometimes you gotta put your path in your behind. Okay, huh. You know, kid? My buddy Timon here.
Thank you.
You know?
Thank you.
You gotta put your behind your path. I mean, no. Amateur, lay down before you get yourself. You gotta put your past behind you, you know? You gotta take life one day at a time. No past, no future. Hakuna Matata.
What?
It's Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. Yep, just 2 little words and it'll change your life. Hakuna Matata.
Alright, this is song 2. Hakuna Matata.
Alright. And action.
Let's see.
Saturn is 50 degrees to the right of red anteriors and much brighter. This is a very simple device made out of coat hangers, plastic wrap, and typewriter correction fluid. Does anyone know what is it?
It's a star frame.
This is a star frame. A star frame can help your eyes locate stars and planets with your naked eyes.
Hey, so they got to the sun?
Yes, God created the universe and all its physical laws. Even Einstein said it's a miracle that our world is comprehensible.
If God can do all that, then why can't He get you a new sweater?
Because he's too busy looking for your brain. That was a joke. The youth of Fresno are
Hey, it's gathering.
Nights of the Sun.
Come on, go, man. Let's go,
Saturday,
let's go.
I can't.
Come on,
Gotta stay.
Saturday, November 7th,
Sing.
5:30 p.m. and
Cut! Oh, that'd be trouble.
Sing.
Cut. Cut.